What's up, guys? It's your boy Lambo Andy back with another sneaker review. I do appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at this video. Remember, as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It truly does help me out. And if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna have to come help you out. And it ain't gonna be fun. Anyways, today we are going to be taking a look at Nike and Off-White's collaboration, the Terra Forma. Now, this was the most recent collaboration between Off-White and Nike, and it was unfortunately Virgil Ablohs' last project that he was a part of before he passed away. This silhouette is also the first original silhouette that Virgil designed for Nike. Now, he's done a lot of other collaborations with Nike on other shoes, but this was his first original silhouette that he designed from scratch. Well, not technically from scratch because this was taken from a Nike hiking boot, the inspiration, but the silhouette and everything is an original design. Now guys, this shoe was actually surprisingly kind of hard to get your hands on. I thought I was gonna be able to hit on the sneakers app, no problem. Wrong. Was not able to hit on the sneakers app. Was not able to hit on the Off-White store online. There were a few other places I tried. I was completely unsuccessful. But luckily, I live in Las Vegas. So yes, we have an Off-White store in town. I was able to go down to the store and pick up a pair. Big shout out my homegirl Asia. And I actually preferred doing this because I didn't have to wait for shipping. I didn't have to wait for the anticipation. I was able to get the shoes the same day they dropped, and I got a dope Off-White bag. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get these shoes out. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. And I'm also gonna give you guys a quick on feet and we'll wrap it up. Let's go. Now, when I say this is a huge bag, this is a huge bag. But this is the bag that you get at the Off-White store here in Las Vegas. So we got the bag. You can see the Off-White logo, and on the back, boom, win Las Vegas. So if you guys are ever in Las Vegas, make sure you check out the Off-White store. They had a bunch of dope stuff there. But massive bag. I mean, huge bag. Box is also relatively big. The shoes are big, so the box is big. It only makes sense, right? On the box, safety deposit box. It says right there. On the bottom, Off-White. Right there. With the Off-White Nike logo right there. Off-White paper, standard Off-White paper. Here they are in all of their glory. Let's take a look at these suckers. All right, starting on the outer sole, the most obvious thing is all of these track spikes. Now, these are not gonna be a favorite for everybody. These are not even gonna be liked by everybody. They do have a slightly strange feel when you walk on them. I have another pair of Off-Whites that also have the track spikes, and when you walk on them, it has a slightly like a mushy feel, kind of like you're walking on, I don't know, it's just like it's kind of a weird feel. If you have the shoes, if you have a pair of them, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but you get used to it very quickly. And these aren't that big, especially these boots are so heavy and large that you're not gonna notice it after a while. But they do have track spikes throughout the shoe, and again, people aren't super keen on that. On the bottom of the soles, we have tread on the bottom of the right foot, and we have lightly on the bottom of the left foot. And this statement is a reminder to us to, treat the earth, treat the ground that we walk on good. These are, essentially hiking boots. So, tread lightly, make sure you treat the ground, make sure you treat the earth well. Moving up to the midsole, we have some pretty cool colors right here. Pretty cool color designs. I'm a fan of crazy out there colors, bright colors. So I do love all these color mashups right here. Now, this is a little bit softer. This material is kind of like a spongy, soft material. So it is pretty cushiony. You are going to get a pretty cushiony feel when you walk. Also, obviously the Air back here, and it even says Nike Air Inner Space right there. So, I mean, this shoe is comfortable to walk in as far as wearing it, but the look and how heavy it is might turn some people off. And moving to the upper, we have some of this plastic type material. If you have any of the other Off-White collaborations, you know what I'm talking about. It's that white kind of netting mesh that kind of goes over the shoe, all over here. You also have some suede as well. On the inside, we have the Nike, or the Off-White for Nike, Nike Air, Terra Forma, Oregon, USA. So that's in there that you can see. These laces are actually very similar to the Jordan 11 laces. They look very similar to Jordan 11 laces, how they kind of mimic basketball netting almost, but that's kind of how these laces are. You can see similar to the Jordan 11 laces. Also, you got the Off-White zip tie right here on the side. Off-White, care of Nike, 2022 zip tie. So that's right here on the side. Now, you also have a zipper underneath the laces. And this zipper does go down all the way to the very bottom of your laces. So theoretically, you could take out your laces and just use this boot or shoe with just the zipper. But I think the laces do make it look dope, make it look better at least. So I'm gonna keep mine in. Let's open this shoe up, let's unzip it a little bit and see what's inside here. Again, the zipper can go all the way down if you want it to. Inside, this tongue, again, is a big tongue. I believe it's from Virgil's favorite Jordan, which I think is the Jordan 6. This is a like homage to it because that was his favorite Jordan. Now, inside you can see the swimming man face, and on the right shoe, you have one of the hands you can see there. Now this shoe was released in 2 different colorways, Wheat and Psychic Purple. Now both of these colorways are kind of colorful. I just personally like the white and then the colors. It kind of stands out more. It kind of pops more to me. Now the Wheat is all brown with a green tongue, and you got some colors back here. It's a little more, to me, it's a little more muted. It looks like a more of a hiking boot to me. This looks more of like a fashion forward, futuristic type shoe, which is why I personally like it. Let me give you guys a quick 360 of the shoe. So look at it. I personally really dig this shoe. As you guys know, like crazy colors, like loud colors, like exciting colors on my shoes, and this fits the bill perfectly. I mean, this is something right up my alley. So if you guys, again, are like me, you like crazy shoes, you like interesting shoes, you like, you know, shoes that not a lot of people are gonna be wearing, this is an absolute must cop. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick on feet, and then we are gonna get out of here. So let's head out to the arcade and take a look at these.
Thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end? My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end? I sit to getting stoned. It won't break my bones. Words don't hurt, even with a megaphone. Got a sweet thing, wild thing, I'm tone low. And she do everything except go. Text that I sent a mile long, but I'm still a shy guy. Like you got a wire on. Standing next to me, you'll feel the heat. Like I got a fire on, but I don't, truth be told. I got a lion heart, I got bars like Heath. I ain't joking, check my ledger. She got my wooden hand, shit I think on Carl Weathers. Got an S on my chest, followed by 15 letters. Ill too ill, but I keep getting better. I got flu, but I ain't sick of you. I want you for real like Rue. You been studying in your room, and I've been dying in the stew. Every time you call, I don't decline. At the grocery store, I hope my car don't get declined. Yeah, Epic tried to sign me, I decline. Now I'm gonna prove them all that I'll never decline. Like the point of a Sharpie, I'll be fine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still mine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still mine. Even when I lose, yo, you're still my thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end? My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah. Again and again, over and over, when will it end?
Trademark the heartbreak, can't be sold in any way. That's when I think of my image when you fucking other lanes. But we all know none of my exes is over a feeling. I should probably go out and beat him for Halloween. Cause it's scary ass, ain't never seen a lot of day. Girl, take the mask off who you playing, ayy. I be in my zone, fuck you think I sold my soul. Get exactly what you looking for. If you unlock this phone, oh girl, now you wanna ride. Saying that you never lied, that's the definition of irony. After all the motherfucking times that you lost me, that's what created a legend. Godspeed as she fucks away to heaven, ho.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for me. I appreciate you sticking around. Remember, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think down below. Is this something that you're gonna cop? Is this something that you're gonna pass on? Until next time, guys, deuces!
Over and over, when will it end? My thoughts so heavy, where's my lighter? I keep losing you like my lighter, yeah.